Oh my God, it's like 6 in the morning. This noise woke me up. And I've raised a elephant moth from a caterpillar, and he's ready to fly. But it's only 6 in the morning and it's like 29 degrees. So I've had him since like August. But here he is. There's his, it's not poop. That's his, it's like a caterpillar. It's like a cocoon. Hey, his name's Ernie. Oh, and he's hot pink. I don't know if he's a boy or a girl, but I can't let him outside yet. I think it's going to be warmer today. So I've raised an elephant moth from a caterpillar. Oh my gosh.